gonna delete everything. Go here, Shift A, and use sphere, put it up, make it shade smooth, and then hit F3 and type quick, and select quick liquid. So this will be my domain. I'm gonna scale it up and go down here to the domain and down to the cache. First thing, make this type modular and locate it. You can leave it at C drive if you have space. So if you don't, just locate it in any disk here. Accept. Enable this so you can enable this one so you can select the mesh and then break the mesh too. So this is important. And then go up here to the UV sphere and from geometry to inflow and select this one. 0.8 or 9, you can try it. And back to the domain and make the max frame rate is 100 and here 100 too. And then click bake, go up and bake data. Then down here under mesh and click bake. Now you have water.